Now, you see this $59.99 a remote control Gordon with no remote, no remote. Now I have this one here. I'm gonna post this one. It does. I mean, I'm gonna put the side rods. Now the coupling is broken, but you are not gonna find this model. Now I'm gonna post this one. It's not the same. I'm gonna put this for sale. The thing is, I found this and I found another ones. I had to 3D print the battery cover. We lost the 3D battery cover. You know, it's gonna be less than the other listing. See this one right here, $229.75 sold. You check my link in the description. Now here's the thing. I can sell it if someone is interested for like a 30 bucks less direct invoice from PayPal if someone's interested. But I know a lot of people don't care. They just want to pay $50 more on eBay. But if it happens that someone is interested and he wants to save 30 bucks, I can actually send you an invoice just in case someone is interested, you know, for an invoice. Just contact me. Let me know if you're really interested. I can send you an invoice and sell it. But it's gonna be, I mean, this is gonna be on eBay. You need to tune the switch. Remember, there are two AA batteries here, one AA here, three AAA here, and it's a 3D printed battery cover. Let me see, where is, okay, it does talk. Reverse work. Now let's go to first speed. That's first speed. Second. Now the remote keeps talking. If you don't remove the batteries, this is the design. This is the way it was designed. You need to remove the batteries from this remote, or it will continue talking all night long. So once you're done with this, playing with this, you need to remove the battery. I'm going to leave a little bit of time so you'll see. In the meantime, I'm going to see what I'm talking about. I'm going to remove the batteries. This model is on eBay already, so it's for sale. I'm going to keep a little bit of time so you can hear it will talk again or make a sound. That's the reason it's important. You need to remove the batteries from the remote. Yeah, I also have the 3-speed Thomas. I already sold, I don't remember when, the 3-speed James. I don't remember how much sold it. Here is the 3-speed Thomas. Where is it? It's right here. Now I need to find the battery cover, and maybe I'm going to change the coupler. But since Thomas is less expensive, it's better. I mean, this is more expensive than, you know, Thomas. I think 3-speed Spencer is another one that is very high pricey. I think. I mean, last time I think I saw one for 300 about 5 months ago. But we have this one here. Like I say again, if you interested, don't want to pay eBay seller fees, you know, taxes and everything, that's about $50 more on eBay. But let me know in the comments.